The floodwaters on the Frio River at Tilden, Texas, are on the move and expected to crest tonight. The river is at about 20 foot and it's expected to come up to like 26 when it crests. Today, I'm capturing this footage on my drone as the river surges under the bridge and races downstream towards Lake Choke Canyon. Look at that volume. The water is moving swiftly, heading downstream to help fill Lake Choke Canyon, which has been critically low. Every drop counts in South Texas. The drone view here shows the full breadth from the banks of the overflowing into low areas and the main channel powering forward. This inflow is a lifeline for the reservoir, wildlife, and local water supplies. For context, the Frio River at Tilden has flood stages starting around 12 feet. It's at 20 now, and it's supposed to crest at 26. So hopefully that will bring relief of water that you need for the lakes without any major damage. The emergency personnel are staged all around the town to be ready for this surge so that after last year's devastating flood event that many lives were lost, they are really staged at every area we've been in. Three Rivers. This water will eventually reach Choke Canyon Reservoir, boosting levels for recreation fishing and the community. Texas tough, from bass fishing heritage to the resilience in the face of weather extremes. If you're in the Choke Canyon area, how's the water looking where you're at? Drop a comment below. Hit that like button if you're a Texas Outdoors fan. Subscribe for more drone footage of lakes, floods, and adventures. And turn on notifications so you never miss an update. P.S. Safety first. Avoid flooded roads and low water crossings. Check local forecasts and NWSA updates for the from Tilden to Choke Canyon. Texas rivers never disappoint. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe, stay dry, and we'll see you on the next one. Tight lines and clear skies.